How to remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to remove end-to-end encryption on your WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and without further ado let's begin. First, head towards WhatsApp and tap to launch it. Make sure that you logged into your account. Now tap three dots at top right corner and head towards Settings option. Scroll down and navigate to Chats. Scroll down and tap on Chat Backup. At the bottom, you will see end-to-end encryption, which will be turned on. In order to remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp, tap on Turn Off button at bottom of your screen. Now type here your current password. And now tap on Turn Off button. And you can see that your backup is no longer end-to-end encrypted. So with this, you have removed end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.